Hello everybody. Today I would like to present you this project for a chuhin-sized wild olive tree. As the work on wild olive trees is always long-term, because you have to build everything in green, you have to build branches. I usually find it very helpful to make a drawing of what I want to do. So, it's not done in a fantasy way. It is drawn keeping the proportions. And I draw these branches, I draw them first. And then I put the masses, that is to say, it is a reliable. It is not enough to draw something crazy. So, well, you can see that this is going to be a very powerful tree. The idea is like a lot of mass, little empty, very thick trunk. This cherry here standing out from the front. And of course filling the crown here. And the rest of the masses that right now are being built. I have left growing branches for fattening and consolidating the structure. And in possibly a few months or even next year, I will start trimming and pinching. And that is the plan for this tree. And it is the usual work system in any olive tree.